This tutorial review will show you how to render in Premiere Pro. Once you have finished your editing, it's time to render the project. In order to render a video, click on File, Export, Media, and the shortcut is Ctrl+M for Media. Click on Format and select here H.264. This format is required for MP4 format. Click on Preset and here you will find different types of quality. In my case, I'm selecting here high quality 1080p HD. If you want to export audio with your video, then check this option. Click on output name to select a folder to export the file. You can also change the name from here. Click on save and click on export and your video will be exported. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Tutorial Review. See you in the next video.